My lovely students, welcome to Mathological. With this session, we are starting a new series of questions, a series of good quality questions on arithmetic, algebra, etc. In this session, we'll be taking up 4 good quality questions from arithmetic. So for every question, read the question first, pause the video, attempt it yourself, and then only watch the solution. The intent of this series is to expand your knowledge, to revise the concepts, and enhance our learning experience. Okay, start karte hain session ko. And if you've not already subscribed to the channel and you like the content, then make sure to subscribe to the channel as well as press the bell icon. You can also join Telegram channel Mathological or can message me on Telegram at adityakt regarding any concerns regarding your preparation. The first question. The question is Billu Cart was sending 6 parcels from Delhi to Mumbai. It weighed them one by one. The weight of all parcels starting from the third parcel was equal to the arithmetic mean of the 2 parcels immediately preceding it. The weight of the lightest parcel was 400 grams and that of the heaviest parcel was 1200 grams. If the weight of the fifth parcel is less than the fourth one, then what will be weight of the sixth parcel? That is the question. क्वेश्चन में हमारा इंटेंट क्या है? टोटल 6 पार्सल्स आते हैं. आई बिलीव कि तुमने अपने में पॉज करके अटेम्प्ट किया होगा. टोटल 6 पार्सल्स आते हैं and they are weighed one by one. Weight of all parcels starting from the third parcel was equal to arithmetic mean of the 2 parcels immediately preceding it. Arithmetic mean implies average. Average of 2 parcels just preceding it. Or property of average is that if you are taking average of 2 values, let us say values are a and b, average will be a plus b by 2. And in all cases, the average will be between a and b. Average is always between the two extreme values, two values, ठीक है. So average is always between, अगर दो ही values का average है तो that will always be lying between those two values. Is that clear? So this average will be between a and b. If a is the lesser value, then it will be between a and b. If b is the lesser value, then also it will be between a and b in all cases. ठीक है. So जब भी हम average लेंगे, so average will always lie between the extreme values. तो सेम फंडा यहाँ पे अप्लाई करना. हमें गिवन क्या है? वी बीन गिवन 2 वेट वैल्यूज. द वेट ऑफ द लाइटेस्ट पार्सल दैट इज 400 ग्राम्स एंड वेट ऑफ द हैवीएस्ट पार्सल दैट इज 1200 ग्राम्स. अब बिना पहले वैल्यूज लिए पहले बातें समझते हैं. लेट अस से वी हैव टोटल 6 पार्सल्स 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. These 6 are parcels. Okay, so we are starting with first parcel. There must be some weight of first parcel and second parcel का भी कुछ weight होगा. Starting with the third parcel, the weight of the third parcel is equal to arithmetic mean of the 2 parcels preceding it. Okay, so if this is the weight of the first parcel, this is the weight of the second parcel on some scale, then weight of the third parcel, since that is the average of first and second parcel, so that will be somewhere in the middle, exactly in the middle. Similarly, now when we are talking about the fourth parcel, so weight of the fourth parcel will be arithmetic mean of second and third, and weight of the fourth parcel will be between the weight number 2 and weight number 3, somewhere here. Similarly, weight of the fifth parcel will be between weight of 3 and 4, because that is average of 3 and 4. So weight of the fifth parcel will be between 3 and 4. Similarly, for the sixth parcel, weight of the sixth parcel will be average of 4 and 5, and between 4 and 5. So can you observe that 1 and 2 are at the extremes, और जैसे जैसे हम एवरेज लेते जा रहे हैं तो हमारी वैल्यूज मिडिल में आती जा रही है. थर्ड विल बी एवरेज ऑफ 1 and 2, फोर्थ विल बी एवरेज ऑफ 2 and 3, फिफ्थ विल बी एवरेज ऑफ 3 and 4, सिक्स विल बी एवरेज ऑफ 4 and 5. So 1 and 2 will be the extreme values. ये बातें हम समझ क्यों रहे हैं? क्योंकि हमें दो ही वैल्यूज गिवन है. One value is that of the lightest parcel, one is that of the heaviest parcel. So clearly, parcel number 1 and parcel number 2 must be the lightest and heaviest parcel. Not necessarily respectively, इसका ऑपोजिट भी हो सकता है. ठीक है, कि हम 2 को रखें लाइटेस्ट, 1 को रखें हेवीएस्ट, बट तब भी यही होगा. थर्ड विल बी इन द मिडिल, एवरेज ऑफ 1 and 2. फोर्थ विल बी एवरेज ऑफ 2 and 3. फिफ्थ विल बी एवरेज ऑफ 3 and 4. and sixth will be average of 4 and 5. So either way, either 1 is the lightest and 2 is the heaviest, or 2 is the lightest and 1 is the heaviest. इन दोनों में से ही कोई एक केस होगा. अब वैल्यूज को लेके समझना है तो एक एग्जांपल वैल्यूज का भी ले लेते हैं, उसके बाद में स्ट्रेट अवे क्वेश्चन अपन सॉल्व करेंगे. ठीक है, लेट अस से हमने वेट लिया. फॉर फर्स्ट पार्सल वेट इज 16, फॉर सेकंड पार्सल वेट इज 32. तो थर्ड पार्सल का वेट क्या हो जाएगा? 16 + 32 by 2, दैट इज 24. और वी कैन ऑल्सो से कि lesser value plus difference of the two values divided by 2. So 16 plus 16 by 2. 16 plus 16 by 2. 24. Now weight of the fourth parcel, that will be 32 plus 24 by 2, or 24 plus 4, 28. Weight of the fifth parcel, 24 plus 2, या 24 plus difference है 4 का, 24 plus half of difference, so that will be 26. Now weight of the sixth parcel will be 26 plus 1, 27. So you can clearly observe कि हमारी फर्स्ट टू वैल्यूज ही मिनिमम और मैक्सिमम होंगी, बीच की वैल्यू सारी मिडिल में ही लाई करेंगे बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एवरेज. क्या ये क्लियर है? अब स्ट्रेट अवे अपना क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं. क्वेश्चन में हमें 6 वैल्यूज 6 पार्सल्स के लिए गिवन क्या है? हमें गिवन है दैट फर्स्ट पार्सल लाइटेस्ट पार्सल का वेट है 400 ग्राम्स एंड हैवीएस्ट पार्सल का वेट है 1200 ग्राम्स. अब हमें ये नहीं पता कि फर्स्ट वाला लाइटेस्ट होगा या सेकंड वाला लाइटेस्ट होगा, तो दोनों केसेस को लेके चलेंगे. पहला केस लेते हैं. फर्स्ट केस लेट अस से फर्स्ट वाला इज लाइटेस्ट 400 एंड सेकंड वाला इज हेवीएस्ट 1200 ग्राम्स. एंड सेकंड केस फर्स्ट वन इज लाइटेस्ट 1200 एंड सेकंड वन इज हेवीएस्ट फर्स्ट वन इज हेवीएस्ट, सेकंड वन लाइटेस्ट 1200 एंड 400. ओके, so in the first case third parcel का weight will be 800, fourth parcel का weight will be 1000, fifth parcel का weight will be 900 and sixth parcel का weight will be 950. और property क्या कह रहा है हमें कि weight of the this property is the check property, weight of the fifth parcel is less than the fourth one. Weight of the fifth parcel is less than fourth one. तो clearly weight of the fifth parcel is less than the fourth one in this first condition itself. तो यही हमारे काम की condition होगा. So weight of the sixth parcel will be 950 grams. This will be our answer. Weight of sixth parcel will be 950 grams. अगर second scenario होता तो वहाँ पे क्या है? 1200 plus 400, 800 will be average for third parcel, 600 for the fourth parcel, 700 for the fifth parcel, and then 650 for the sixth parcel. But in this case, clearly weight of the fifth parcel is more than fourth. तो ये हमारे काम का condition नहीं है in this question. Possibility दोनों का है. But इस question में the first possibility is a valid possibility. Is that much clear? Okay. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं विद दिस अंडरस्टैंडिंग. नेक्स्ट वन. Ritika wanted to make juice using apples, oranges, and pears. She observed that the juice yield per apple is twice that of the pear, and yield per orange is 50% more than that of a pear. So what does that imply? कि juice yield per apple is twice that of a pear. तो अगर एक pear से 1 यूनिट जूस निकलता है तो एक एप्पल से जूस yield will be 2 units. Isn't it so? Apple, orange, and pear. So if juice extracted from pear is 1 unit, and then juice extracted from apple will be 2 units. And yield per orange is 50% more than that of the pear. So if yield per pear is 1 unit, so per apple will be 1 plus 0.5, यानी 1.5 units. So ratio of yield per unit fruit will be 2 is to 1.5 is to 1 for apple, orange and pear respectively. अब इसको इंटीजर में करने के लिए मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2, so this becomes 4 is to 3 is to 2. So ratio of juice per unit fruit is 4 is to 3 is to 2 for apple, orange and pear. That is given. Now she prepared a blend using 2 apples. The number of apples is given, that is equal to 2. Number of oranges is 3 and number of pears is 5. And total juice prepared is 810 ml. तो कितने यूनिट हो जाएगा? 4 is the number of juice per unit in apple and number of apples is 2. तो 4 into 8 plus 3 into 3 9 plus 5 into 2 10. Total juice prepared is 10 plus 9 plus 8 27 units. And 27 units का value is equal to 810 ml. यानी कि 1 unit juice is equal to 30 ml. 30 ml. She then adjusted the quantities keeping total number of fruits same. यानी total number of fruits जो हमारा है that has been kept identical. Total number कितना है? Initially she took 2 apples, 3 oranges and 5 pears. यानी total number of fruits was equal to 10. So in this new scenario also, number of fruits will be equal to 10 only. Okay, such that percentage of apple juice in the new blend becomes thrice the percentage of pear juice. Percentage of apple juice in the new blend becomes thrice that of percentage of pear juice. Okay, so if let us say apple juice is A units, total juice is J units, so percentage will be A by J into 100. Similarly, if pear juice is P units, total juice is J, P by J into 100 will be percent of pear juice, and given a percent of apple juice is 3 times that of pear juice, so this will be equal to 3 times that of this value. देखो J से J कैंसिल आउट होने वाला है, 100 से 100 कैंसिल आउट होगा, यानी कि एप्पल जूस विल बी 3 टाइम्स ऑफ P. Clear? So even if this is mentioned that percentage of apple juice is 3 times that of the percentage of pear juice, that straight away implies that apple juice will be 3 times that of the pear juice. ये तुम्हें समझाने के लिए इतना लिखा. Otherwise, straight away यहाँ से हमें hint ले लेना है कि apple juice will be 3 times that of the pear juice. That is given. Okay. So we know for sure that apple juice, or if we take 1 unit pear juice and 1 unit pear and 1 unit apple, apple juice will be twice that of the pear juice. Isn't it so? For same quantity. बट हमें क्या चाहिए? अल्टीमेटली वी नीड 3:1 का रेशियो इन टोटल जूस फॉर एप्पल एंड पियर. तो नंबर का रेशियो क्या होना चाहिए? तो डिवाइड 3/2 फॉर दिस वैल्यू, 3/2 दिस विल बी 1.5 एंड डिवाइड दिस 1/1 फॉर दिस वैल्यू, दिस विल बी 1. तो रेशियो ऑफ एप्पल एंड पियर विल बी 1.5:1. द रिक्वायर्ड क्वांटिटी का रेशियो फॉर एप्पल एंड पियर विल बी 1.5:1, और सिंस दे विल नॉट बी इन फ्रैक्शन, so the ratio will be 3:2. The ratio will be 3:2. Is that clear? एप्पल एंड पेयर का रेशियो शुड बी 3:2. अब दो केसेस बन सकते हैं. एप्पल एंड पेयर का रेशियो अगर 3:2 है, सो वी कैन टेक 3 एप्पल्स एंड 2 पेयर्स, और वी कैन टेक 6 एप्पल्स एंड 4 पेयर्स. 2 केसेस विल बी देयर, क्योंकि टोटल हमारे कितने फ्रूट्स हैं? 10 फ्रूट्स हैं. बट साथ में क्वेश्चन ये भी कह रहा है कि फाइंड द अमाउंट ऑफ जूस इन द न्यू ब्लेंड इफ शी हैज़ यूज्ड ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ फ्रूट्स, यानी कि शी ऑल्सो हैज़ टू यूज ऑरेंजेस इन दिस न्यू ब्लेंड. तो इफ शी टेक्स 6 एप्पल्स एंड 4 पेयर्स, टोटल नंबर 10 यहीं पे हो जा रहा है. So we cannot use oranges in the second scenario. So second case will be rejected. First case will be selected, that there will be 3 apples, 2 pears, and remaining 5 will be oranges. So that total fruits will be 10. 3 apples, 5 oranges, and 2 pears. Okay. चाहे तो यहाँ से ही क्वांटिटी निकाल दो कि there are 3 apples, 5 oranges, and 2 pears. This is number. And juice per unit कितना था? That was 4 units for apple, 3 units for oranges, and 2 units for pears. 3 into 4, 12 units, plus 5 into 3, 15 units, plus 2 into 2, 4 units. That is 31 units. A total juice prepared is 31 units, and 1 unit was equal to 30. So 31 into 30, यानी कि total juice prepared will be 930 ml. Our answer will be 930 ml, option C in this case. Is that clear? ठीक है. हाँ, इस चीज़ को हम ऐसे भी समझ सकते थे कि इनिशियली when we had identified that 1 unit is equal to 30 ml, so since juice extracted from 1 apple is 4 units, यानी कि that will be 120 ml. Juice extracted from orange is 3 units, so that will be 90 ml. And juice extracted from 1 pear is 2 units, यानी कि that will be 60 ml. Okay, so juice extracted from an apple is 120 ml, from an orange is 90 ml, and from a pear is 60 ml. And question is saying that percentage of apple juice in the new blend is thrice that of percentage of pear juice. So अगर juice extracted from 1 apple is 120 ml, juice extracted from 1 pear is 60 ml. So if we need thrice the juice via apple in comparison to pear, so if we are taking exactly 1 pear, so juice extracted will be 60 ml. Apple juice in that case will be 3 times, maybe that should be 180 ml. Okay, if we are taking only 1 pear, then juice extracted from apple should be 180 ml, and juice extracted from 1 apple is 120 ml, यानी कि that should be 1.5 apples. There must be 1.5 apples, यानी कि ratio of apple and pear will be 1.5:1, और that will be 3:2. तो ऐसे भी देख सकते थे. ठीक है, ऐसे भी देखा जा सकता है. बट वी नो फॉर श्योर कि अगर हम 3:2 ले रहे हैं, तो either there will be 3 apples and 2 pears, or there can be 6 apples and 4 pears. But by the same logic that she had used all kind of fruits, so she cannot take 6 apples and 4 pears, because then she will not be able to take oranges. So this case will be rejected. Only this case will be selected. So there must be 3 apples, 2 pears, and the remaining 5 will be oranges. So we can directly calculate the values. That is 120 into 3, 360, plus 450, plus 120. So answer will be हमारा 810 plus 120, 930 ml. This will be the answer. Okay. Is this much clear? Next question पे चलते हैं. Next one. Now another brilliant question. Pause the video and take your time to solve it. A shopkeeper wanted to sell two books A and B he purchased at the same price. Two books A and B that he has purchased at the same price, and the cost price is same. He marked up the price of both the books by 150%. If he sold book A such that the discount offered was 28.57% more than the profit earned on selling it. Find the discount offered on the marked price of book B if ratio of profit earned on books A and B is 3:4 respectively. ठीक है, गो लाइन बाय लाइन. ठीक है, अंडरस्टैंड एवरी लाइन एंड देन मूव फॉरवर्ड टू द नेक्स्ट लाइन. अभी सॉल्व कर पाओगे इसको, एक साथ पूरा पढ़ोगे तो हौच पौच हो जाएगा. तो क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है हमारा, देखो, कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ ए एंड बी सेम. ही मार्क्ड अप द प्राइस ऑफ बोथ द बुक्स बाय 150% and 150% is 3/2. So this is the markup. So if 2 is the cost price, so 3 will be marked up. ठीक है, this is not the mark price, this is markup. So if CP is 2, markup is 3, so mark price will be 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. यानी कि ratio of CP and MP, cost price and mark price, that will be 2:5. If he sold book A such that discount offered was 28.57% more than the profit earned on selling it. So discount offered is 28.57% more. 28.57% is 2/7. In terms of fraction, this is 2/7. So 2/7 more than the profit. Okay, so if 7 is the profit, so discount offered will be 2 more than profit. And if profit is 7 units, discount will be 7 plus 2, which is equal to 9. So ratio of profit and discount will be 7:9. And there is a clear relation between profit and a discount. Okay, if we have a CP value, if we add profit to cost price, then we reach selling price. Okay, and if we mark up cost price plus markup gives us mark price, and when we give discount to the mark price, then we get to selling price. Okay, or vice versa, selling price plus the given discount will give us mark price, isn't it so? So can we say that cost price plus profit plus discount, this is equal to mark price? Of course we can say that, isn't it so? क्या ही क्लियर? बिकॉज यहाँ पे हमें इसी प्रॉपर्टी को यूज करना पड़ेगा. कॉस्ट प्राइस प्लस गिवन डिस्काउंट प्लस प्रॉफिट, दैट इज इक्वल टू मार्क प्राइस. So cost price and mark price का ratio is 2:5. The difference between these two is 3 units. The markup, ठीक है, basically this total, this is equal to markup, isn't it so? So markup is by 3 units and profit and discount का ratio is 7:9. And profit plus discount is equal to markup. So this 3 units is equal to 16 as well. अब दोनों को इक्वल करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज प्रॉफिट और डिस्काउंट का रेशियो आ रहा है 7:9, टोटल आ रहा है 16 यूनिट्स का, और यहाँ पे डिफरेंस आ रहा है हमारा 3 यूनिट्स का. तो मल्टीप्लाई दिस 16 by 3 एंड मल्टीप्लाई दिस 3 by 60. तो इधर हम चीज़ों को कंपेयर कर पाए. ठीक है, फ्रेश पेज पे लिख लेते हैं. तो CP MP, CP was 2, MP was 5, and profit and discount का ratio is 7:9. So this total was 16. Here the gap is 3. Multiply this 16 by 3. So multiply both these values by 3 and multiply this gap 3 units by 60. So we will multiply CP as well as MP by 60. So CP becomes 2 into 16, 32. MP becomes 5 into 16, that is equal to 80. And the gap between these two becomes equal to 48. Okay. Now profit is 21. 32 plus 21 will be 53. This will be our selling price. And discount will be 9 into 3, 27. तो सारी वैल्यूज हमारी कंफर्म हो गया दैट 32 शुड बी कॉस्ट प्राइस. ठीक है, ऑल दीज वैल्यूज आर इन रेशियो, नॉट एग्जैक्ट वैल्यूज, बिकॉज डिपेंड करता है, इसका कुछ भी मल्टीपल हो सकता है. 32 इज, if 32 units is our cost price, then 53 units will be our selling price and 80 units will be our mark price. Profit will be 21 units and discount will be 27 units. This is for book number A, book A. Now question is also saying that find the discount offered on the mark price of book B. Cost price दोनों का सेम ही है, तो cost price सेम है, यानी कि 32 is cost price for book B as well. 80 is mark price for book B as well, because they both have been marked up by the same value. Mark price of book B, discount offered on the mark price of book B if ratio of profit earned on book A and B is 3:4 respectively. Ratio of profit earned. So ratio of profit earned is 3:4. So profit earned on book A is 21. Profit earned on book B that we need to find out. We have no idea, but we know for sure that the ratio is 3:4. So 3 units का value is 21. So 1 unit is equal to 7. So 4 into 7 यानी कि profit earned on book B will be 28 units. So 32 plus 28 यानी कि selling price will be 60 for the second book for book B. Hence discount will be 20 units on 80. So discount percentage will be 20 by 80, which is 25% discount on book B. A very good question. 25% discount on book B. Applying ratio multiple times in this question. Have you understood the question? So we started with 150% markup, that is 3 by 2. So if 2 units is cost price, mark price will be 5 units. That is first thing. Second thing, that discount offered on book A is 28.57%, which is 2 by 7 more than the profit. So if profit is 7 units, so discount will be 7 plus 2, 9 units. यानी कि profit is to discount will be 7 to 9 और 7 plus 9 यानी कि total आ गया 16. This 16 units is equal to markup, and markup with first ratio is coming out to be 3. So 16 into 3, 48 will be our markup in the new scenario. 32 will be cost price, 80 will be mark price, 21 will be profit, and 27 will be our discount for book A. Now this ratio of profit of book A and B is 3:4. 3 units का value 21 है, 4 units का value 28 हो जाएगा. तो 32 plus 28, 60 units should be selling price of book B, and hence 20 units का discount देंगे on 80 units. 25% will be our discount value, discount percentage value. Is that clear? Okay. ठीक है. Now next question देखते हैं. The population of Timbuktu in 2020 was 24,480. The population increased to 28,880 in 2025. If the number of males and females increased by 26% and 10% respectively, then find the difference between number of males in 2020 and number of females in 2025 in Timbuktu. Now this is a very conventional question. Given हमें क्या है? Given है population of Timbuktu in 2020. Now 2020 में there will be males and females. So population of males as well as females in 2020, that is equal to 24,480. And population increased to 28,880 in 2025. Males का population has increased by 26% and female population increased by 10%. Okay, so we can directly check for the increase. Increase कितना है? The population has increased from 24,480 28,880, यानी कि there is an increase of 4,400, and there is an increase of 26% on males and 10% of females, यानी कि 26% of males, which is 0.26 males of male population plus 0.10 female population, that total increase is 4,400. सॉल्व करना है दोनों इक्वेशन से, एम और एफ का वैल्यू निकालना है. क्या करेंगे? मल्टीप्लाई द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन बाय 0.10, मल्टीप्लाई दिस बाय 0.10, या 10% लेना है बेसिकली. तो 0.10 m प्लस 0.10 f, दिस इज इक्वल टू 2448. और सब्ट्रैक्ट, this part gets cancelled out. 0.16 m becomes equal to 4400 minus 2448. So that is 2000 का डिफरेंस आ रहा है माइनस 48, 1952. ठीक है, या फिर 2500 और 4400 डिफरेंस 1900 का प्लस 52 1952. और डेसिमल हटाओ, 100 आ गया. 16 1 are 16, 122. So male population comes out to be 12200. Male population is 12200 and female population will be 24480 minus 12200, यानी कि that will be 12,280. मेल पॉपुलेशन है 12,200 एंड फीमेल पॉपुलेशन है 12,280, यानी कि डिफरेंस है 80 का. बट क्वेश्चन हमारा क्या पूछा है? क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग डिफरेंस बिटवीन नंबर ऑफ मेल्स इन 2020 एंड नंबर ऑफ फीमेल्स इन 2025. डिफरेंट ईयर्स के लिए पूछा है. 2020 का मेल्स का वैल्यू तो 12,200 ही है, दैट इज फाइन. बट फीमेल्स का वैल्यू 2025 का पूछ रहा है, यानी कि आफ्टर द इंक्रीज, तो फीमेल्स हैव इंक्रीज बाई 10%, यानी कि देयर इज इंक्रीज ऑफ 1228. ऑलरेडी 80 ज़्यादा थी, ऑलरेडी फीमेल्स वर 80 मोर, एंड देन देयर इज इंक्रीज ऑफ 1228. टोटल इंक्रीज कितना हो जाएगा? 80 प्लस 1228, यानी कि 1308 विल बी आवर आंसर. because new value will be 12280 plus 1228. Okay, that will be 12,000, 13,508. There is a gap of 1308 between population of males in 2020 and population of females in 2025. मेल का पॉपुलेशन बढ़ा है 26% से, यानी 25% ले लो और 1% ले लो. 25% कितना होगा इसका? 3050 प्लस 122, तो 3172 का इंक्रीज आएगा. 15,372 will be the new male population. Okay. Here, so these were all the questions in this first session of ours. I believe कि जो भी हमने क्वेश्चन डिस्कस किए वो सारे के सारे समझ में आएंगे, क्लियर हुए होंगे. कहीं पे भी किसी क्वेश्चन में if there is any doubt whatsoever, then make sure to comment about that doubt and also give your feedback in the comment section कि तुम्हें सेशन कैसा लगा, सारे क्वेश्चन समझ में आया नहीं है. Okay, that is all for this session. Next session we will be doing some more quality questions, and that's all. And if you like this session, then make sure to hit the like button as well. And if you have not already subscribed to the channel, then make sure to subscribe to the channel. Bye bye. Take care and keep learning.